Here's a quick and easy way to restore your dishwasher. So you do want to be sure that you're cleaning your dishwasher often so it doesn't start to stink, and it's just clean and it's more healthy for you to use. So the first thing to do is to try to clean your dishwasher after each and every cycle or each time you use it. And you can do that by gently wiping out the tops and the sides of the inside to get out any food, debris, dirt, things like that. Then you want to pull out the bottom rack, clean that out, get it clean. Use a paper towel or something like that to clean it out, getting out any food, dirt, grime, grease, things like that. And then lastly, you want to clean out the inside filter, remove any food or debris or anything that's left in the inside of the dishwasher filter. See, easy peasy. Follow Act Cleanology for more cleaning tips.